Hi, this is Cindy with Cricut Cards, and I'm back with another Destash video. This is video number 3. I have 2 other Destash videos. The rules are very simple. You have to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com and let me know what boxes you want. PayPal only, US only. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with my boxes because I'm going to have a total of, I want to say 11 boxes. So let's start with box number 7. So this one's pretty easy. This one is a complete Kathy Orta holiday Christmas kit. Oh no, sorry, not Christmas kit. That's in another box. This is the complete kit that she had a few years ago to make a recipe book. And so this kit was roughly $100 when you include shipping. So I'm selling it for $50. It's the complete kit. I have never opened it or used it. It comes with the wire binding, it comes with the 6x6 paper pad, comes with lots of stuff in here. It comes with the hardware that she always has in her kits. So I'm not going to take everything out, but it comes with this farmhouse chipboard. 2 of them, both chipboards are in here. Okay, the 6x6 farmhouse collection is here. You've got your wire binding, and you've got this little, let's see, we'll go down here, this wire binding, and then also there is this, what do you call this, rolling pin. And there is a 6x6 paper pad in here, which you cannot see. Also in here is this rubber stamp from the farmhouse collection. I don't want to take everything out because it's packaged so perfectly. The farmhouse collection recipe cards. Farmhouse, this is for the paper company. This is really cute, like little tabs and envelope, and it's really cute. And there's this side so you can see. Very cute. Also in here is these tabs. They're stickers. And that's all the things that are in this package of ephemera. The pieces in here. And then cute little knives and forks and things. And then here are some recipe card little tab things. So also in here is the 12x12 paper pack, the entire pack. Also included in here is, I think there's 2 different paper packs in here. So let's see here. There's this one, which is Farmhouse, the entire collection. And then this one, I guess I'll have to take them both out. I don't want to, but oh my gosh, you can't see everything. So, there's 2, they're 2 different ones. So it's this one and this one, full paper collection. Also in here is all of the cardstock for the kit, and there is a lot of cardstock, as well as the chipboard. So that is all in there. I'm going to have to put everything back so neatly and tidily. But yeah, there is, there's a lot of cardstock in here. I would say a good 40 sheets of cardstock, as well as a bunch of chipboard in here. So this is number 7. It's the complete Kathy Orta kit, and it's $50. So I'm going to put everything back the way that it came. So now I'm on box number 8. This one is $32. And I try to get everything out. The only problem with getting everything out is then trying to put everything back in the same way that I had it. You'll know what I mean. You've ever done any of these before? All right, I'm going to start with paper. So I've got these full sheet stickers. It's My Mind's Eye. Full sheet stickers, My Mind's Eye. Echo Park. This is a variety of different papers from Echo Park. Like a grab bag of paper that I had gotten. So there's Happy Halloween, there's Merry Christmas, there's Wintertime, there's Little Boy. So just a variety of papers in here. And those are all full sheets, never used. And then I have this kit. This is actually a couple of kits from close to my heart. So there's a Cloud 9 kit. I think it's mostly this Cloud 9 kit. Cloud 9 card making kit. So it's just the paper in this kit. So that's in there. And then I have this My Mind's Eye Jubilee. So in here it comes with, I mean, a bunch of stuff. It's got all these tabs, all these little buttons and everything. And it says over $32 value. So this is all the stuff that it has in there. So I can't really show you very well because my camera is all jacked up. Do like that. It's like all curved to one side. So yeah, it has 15 12 by 12 papers. It's got stickers. It's got ephemera. It's got brads. It's got little buttons. So all of that's included. Never used it. Some random paper. We don't need to show that. Just a bonus. Bunch of October Afternoon. So I have these stickers. This is Make It Merry collection. I think this is all Make It Merry collection. Make It Merry. Cute, right? Make It Merry. Thought about keeping this one because I think I kept the 8x8 paper pad. But I didn't. I also have this, which is just a variety of papers, also from October Afternoon. So just Campfire. I don't know the names of all of the papers, but all kinds of papers that are listed here from all different collections. So that's their whole bunch of paper in that one. More October Afternoon. This is, I believe, mostly all like stickers. So these are, well, no, paper in here. I like this paper and paper and paper and more paper. And then there's this sticker sheet from Treasure Map. There's a sticker sheet from Under the Tree, Treasure Map. They're like number and alphabet stickers. And then we have this one, this, and this. This is all pretty self-explanatory. Then we have the Daily Flash. So in here we have lots of like cut aparts. So cut aparts and bunches of cut aparts. I'm going to take them all out because I want them to all fall out. I want them to fall out. Hold on, let me try to show you all these cut aparts here. December story stickers, summertime stickers, 1, 2, 3, 4, all kinds of stickers with numbers and all that kind of stuff. There's just so much stuff in here. So lots of things in here. And these all go with all the other October Afternoon stuff that I've shown already. So that's in there. More October Afternoon. I've got this, which is Rocket Age 8x8 paper pad. I have this, which is the Rocket Age chip and stick, so basically chipboard stickers. I have just this little kit. All it is, it's from Authentique, and it's just a bunch of sort of vintage-looking Christmas stickers. So I think there's 2 in here, and then 2 of the little ones in here. So, and then I have a Kathy Orta card kit that I had bought when she had done a card like little thing that you could do with her, but I never made them. So here I've got these are the envelopes, and then it came with this crepe paper ephemera, and it came with this Jean Hadfield paper pad 6x6, along with this chalk marker. This all came together in a kit. There might have been other stuff to the kit, but this is the stuff I'm giving away, or not giving away, I'm selling. And so this is $32, and it's box number 8. Do box number 9. So box number 9, I'm just really getting stuff in here. Getting stuff in here. So we get everything out. Only to put it all back in. All kinds of random stuff in here. Okay, so this is box number 9. I am tired. I cleaned up so much stuff. I still have so much stuff. It's unbelievable how much stuff I have. Okay, so, in this kit, I've not decided on a price yet for it, so we'll have to see what's in here. So in this kit, we have a variety of, we always have a sticker sheet, and then we have some October afternoon sort of paper that was kind of floating around, and then we have a bunch of paper from the romance novel collection. I forget what her name is. Oh, Marion Smith. So I have a bunch of that paper in here. And then I have some more October afternoon cut-aparts and paper and stickers. Also here, stickers. Okay, and a bunch of that Marion Smith romance novel paper. All right, there's that. And then I have these Webster's Pages kits. So here's this one. And it comes with papers and stickers and cut-aparts and these little corduroy type little ticket things and little trims. So that is Webster's Pages. I don't think they do any of that anymore. I have another one. I have 2 of the same kit in here. So 2 of those, brand new. And I've got just random paper in here. So this has Echo Park paper. It has October afternoon paper. I think it's mostly October afternoon. I think it's mostly Travel Girl. I think I tried to separate it, but Travel Girl is so cute. So I think it's all Travel Girl paper and just a couple sheets of Echo Park in the back. Super cute. Just didn't do anything with it, and I have to say goodbye to it. And then I've got this heart acetate sheet, which came from some kind of kit I had, along with this journaling spot sticker sheet from Prima. That all goes in there. And then I have a bunch of hardware from Kathy Orta Kits. I have the Sugar Plum Washi, My Mind's Eye. More hardware. I have some sort of a kit. I don't know if it's the ephemera part of a kit or what, from Kathy Orta. I have no idea. Comes with these latches. Comes with this. Comes with envelopes. Must be in a card kit. And then it comes with this paper from Authentique called Anchored. So that's all included. Sorry, I'm trying to put this all away. Okay, and then I have this is Lily B Designs Index Journal Cards, Victoria Park Collection, new, never used. This box is totally smashed, but I didn't use any of it. Maggie Holmes ephemera pack. This is Acorn Avenue Paper Flowers. is Jolie's Boutique French General Lace Trim. This in here. And then here is a basic gray, little, they call them snippets, like journaling cards. So that. And then Prima flowers. And then more Kathy Orta stuff right there. Okay, so that is box number 9, and it is $30. If you're interested in these boxes, email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Thank you.